a zero matrix. Saka a zero matrix, it actually has another name. It can be called a new matrix. Then if we want to define this contemporarily, this is the zero of matrices. Saka kana tiri kuma matrix, zero anenge akambomira sei. Mamiriro anenge akaita zero anenge akadai so. So that is what we want to consider in this lesson. But before we get anywhere with this lesson, toda kuti mucherechedze kuti we are looking at the algebra of 2 by 2 matrices. Kureva kuti everything we are going to explain, from the zero matrix to the identity matrix, then in the next lesson pachatarisa the inverse of a matrix, zvino apply exclusively at our level to 2 by 2 matrices. So that 2 by 2 matrix, which we have already pointed out, kuti it is a square matrix, ndo yatiri kuda kutarisa. A square matrix, like that. So the way we are going to introduce this, toda kutanga tatarisa basic algebra. Ende kana nchiti basic algebra, ndiri kureva kuti toda kutarisa numbers sekumaziva kwatinoita. So let us imagine kuti we have a number. Number yatinayo ndi 6. Tika multiply 6 na 0. Tinowana 0. Then if we take 6 again, but this time tikati 0 times 6, tichawana futani 0. Saka 6 times 0, tichitarisa the position of 0, tinoona kuti in this case, this 0 is actually post multiplied to 6. Saka post irikureva kuti after. Saka tatanga tanyora 6 tikati times 0. Kureva kuti 0 ari kuuya after 6. Ndozvirongoreva kuti post multiplied. Then in this case, 0 ndi ari kutanga. Saka inenge yava chi? We use the prefix pre. Kureva kuti 0 is being pre-multiplied to 6. Saka being post-multiplied and pre-multiplied, it is important when it comes to our understanding of matrices. And if I am to bring to your remembrance, remember when we did the multiplication of matrices, takati AB, kureva kuti multiplying the matrix A times the matrix B is not equal to multiplying the matrix B and the matrix A. So to put it pasi, takati AB is not equal to BA when it comes to matrices. Saka kuunderstanda kuti 0 in the first case ari post multiplied to 6 and 0 in the next case ari pre-multiplied to 6. It is of vital importance. But to understand izvozvo manje, let us now go to matrices. Tuone kuti zvinofamba sei. So now looking at matrices, tatotaura kudhara kuti we are only dealing with 2 by 2 square matrices. We see kuti, let us say we take this example. Matrix yatinayo ndi A, B, C, D. Like this. So that is the matrix we have. Tikada kuimultiply ne 0 matrix. We have already defined 0 matrix. Tikati the 0 of matrices inonyorwa yakadai so. 0, 0, 0, 0. So it's a square matrix. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. But every element inside the matrix brackets anenge ari ma0. That is what is called a 0 matrix. So if we take a matrix and we want to post multiply that matrix with 0 0 0 0 kana kuti the 0 matrix. This is what we want to do here. So we take a matrix A, B, C, D, we multiply it by the 0 matrix 0 0 0 0 like this. What do we get? So before we even know what we get, I think it's necessary kuti, as happens with basic algebra kana kuti basic numbers, 6 times 0 is equal to 0. Tika multiply a 2 by 2 matrix with the 0 matrix, tinowana futi a 0 matrix. Correct? Our answer here should be 0 0 0 0 like that. So sezvinoitika kwatati basic algebra kunoku kana kuti kuma ordinary numbers, maybe you can put it that way. Ordinary numbers, we see kuti if we multiply a number with 0, we are bound to get 0. The same happens with matrices. If we multiply a 2 by 2 matrix with a 2 by 2 0 matrix, tinowana a 0 matrix. Saka let us try to prove this sentiment to see if it is correct and accurate. So panapa we have A, B, C, D, which is a general 2 by 2 matrix. Toda we multiply na 0 0 0 0 to see what we get. Saka as we taught earlier, when we are multiplying matrices, it's row by column. Saka kana takuzo apply izo, tinenge tichiti A multiplying 0 plus B multiplying 0. A unoyu times 0 plus B unoyu times 0. Then taku multiply this row and this column, kureva kuti A yaku multiply 0 plus B yachi multiply futi 0 like that. A unoyu times 0 uyu plus B uyu times 0 uyu. Then tikada ku apply the second row panapa, it's C multiplying 0 plus D multiplying 0. So it was this row times this column. Then panapa takuda kuti this row CD times this column 0 0. Kuroti chaitachi C times 0 plus again D times 0. And of course, if we simplify inside this matrix, tinenge takuti A times 0 ndiani ndi 0 plus B times 0 ndiani ndi 0. 0 plus 0 ndi 0. The same will apply panapa. 0 apo zvakare 0, then apo it's also 0 like that. Saka by so doing, we have proved kuti multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix with the 0 matrix, it's called a 0 matrix or a new matrix, tinowana a 0 matrix. Let us take a twist panapa. So maybe let me remove this kuti nyatsokuona. The twist we want to take is, what if we pre-multiply this matrix with the 0 matrix? Correct, like this. What will happen if we do this rather? A, B, C, D, like that. Is this still going to be equal to the 0 matrix? In other words, tirikuti, we have proved kuti sezvinoitika kuma ordinary numbers, tika multiply 6 times 0, we get 0. Taona kuti zvino apply futi kuma matrices. Takuda kuona kuti ko tikatanga nekumultiply 0 times 6, do we get 0? Tichibva from a premise yatamboita, yatadzidza yekuti takadzidza kuti AB has equal to BD. Mazvona. Saka we cannot call it obvious. We have to prove it kuti tione kuti zvinoshanda seizvozvo here. So let us try to prove it here. Takuda kumultiply 0 0 0 0, multiplying it by AB, CD. This is equal to let us do the calculation tuone. Saka when doing the calculation, it is going to be row by column like this. Saka taku apply that tinge takuti 0 times A plus 0 times C, the first row in the first column. Then to atati 0 times B plus 0 times D, the first row and the second column. Toya pana patoti 0 times A plus 0 times C, the second row in the first column. Tosoti 0 times B plus 0 times D, the second row and the second column. Simplify this. Pamsoro panapa it's going to be 0, 0, 0, 0. Kureva kuti it is also true panapa. If we pre-multiply like we did here, we pre-multiply a matrix with a zero matrix, tinowana a zero matrix. If we post-multiply like we did there, a matrix with a zero matrix, tinowana futi a zero matrix. So if we want to look at our conclusions, conclusion yedu iri kutiudza kuti if we multiply A, B, C, D times a zero matrix, this is the same as multiplying a zero matrix with A, B, C, D, which will always be equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, like that. So this is going to be our conclusion. The conclusion yedu. Saka tunoitika kuma ordinary numbers. So kuti kumultiply chuna 0 is equal to 0. Do tunoitikawo kuma 2 by 2 matrices. Multiply a matrix with a zero matrix, it's always equal to 0. So that is what we learn here.